Good morning, students. Today we will start the chapter Advertising. What is advertising? Advertising is a means of communication with the users of a product or service. Advertising are messages paid for by those who send them and are intended to inform or influence people who receive the message. In other way, advertising is a form of communication that tries to persuade an audience to buy or use something. Now let's understand the aims or objective of advertising. The main objectives of advertising are product introduction, to create awareness, product differentiation, to increase sale, to overcome competition, to enhance goodwill, and to educate the customers. Now let's understand the meaning of brand. In advertising, the word brand is the identity of a specific product, service, or business. Or you can say a brand is a name, term, design, symbol, or any other feature that identifies one seller's good or service as distinct from those of other sellers. For example, a brand can be in the form of a name, sign, symbol, or slogan. Now let's understand the types of advertising. First is print media and second is electronic media. What is advertising in the print media? Print advertising is a widely used form of advertising. These advertising appear in newspapers or magazines and are sometimes included as brochures or flyers. Anything written in the print media to grab the attention of the specific target audience comes under the purview of print advertising. There are two types of print advertising: classified advertising and display advertising. What is classified? Classified contains only basic facts and provide valuable information in a very direct and in concise manner. For example, newspaper, magazines and journal carry print advertisement relating to shares, matrimony, property, detective agency, housing, birth and death in the classified pages. You can have a look at this classified ad in the newspaper. Display advertisements. Display advertisements are bigger and take more space. They are often colorful and contain attractive images. Magazines usually carry many display ads. They can also be seen on big monitors on the road. Now let's understand electronic media. Electronic media are media that use electronics or electromechanical audience to access the content. The primary electronic media source familiar to the general public are video recordings, audio recordings, multimedia presentation, slide presentation, CD-ROM and online content. Radio and television attract everyone, especially children and even people who cannot read or write. Now let's understand the process of creating an advertisement. The company will first select an ad agency for its product and then it will give a summary or brief to them. After that, the ad agency then conduct research on the people, the particular manufacturer to whom they want to sell their product, their like, dislike, level of income, living condition, etc. After that, the creative copy is sent to the printer for the printing ad and the production department decide the concept for the commercial. And while the print ad is made and the commercial is shot, the media department start buying media slots according to the approved media plan. And the last step is to launch the ad in the specified media. Now let's understand the kinds of advertising. First is product advertising, service advertising, social advertising and institutional advertising. Let's understand product advertising. What is product advertising? Product advertising is the most common kind of advertising which we often see in the television. For example, clean and clear ad, parachute, Amla ad, your bulb ad, etc. Now let's see service advertisement. Service advertising focuses on a company that provides a service and not a product. For example, railway department, telephone, internet service, courier service, etc. Now let's see social advertising. What is social advertising? These advertisements deal with themes which affect the society. For example, pollution control, polio eradication, female foeticide, safe paper, wear helmet, global warming, etc. are some of the examples of social advertising. Now let's understand the impact of advertisement. First is positive impact and the other is negative impact. First, it helps in increasing the demand, and second, consumers are made aware of the product. Now, what are negative impact? First is unhealthy demand for the things. Second, children and teenagers get influenced. They get influenced by the advertisements. And the last one is they become brand conscious, and because of that they start buying expensive things which they cannot afford. Now, advertising and democracy. There is very close relationship between advertising and democracy. Media helps to prepare cultural and political diversity in the country. Advertising also communicates the policies and politics for the government to the society so that the citizen can make their opinion about the policies and the ideas of the government. In a democratic society, there is freedom of speech and expression. Hence, different companies have the right to promote their product through advertisement. But the advertisement company should be careful not to hurt some people's sentiment or to create unnecessary problem in the society through their advertising. There should be some social obligation for the advertising company. So students, now it's time for some brainstorming exercise. So let's start. What are the kinds of advertising? What are the types of advertising? And what do you understand by the word advertising? So students, give me the answers of these questions in the comment section below. Thank you and have a good day.